Hey there, Elsie here from 99designs by Vista. In this video, you will learn how to select your winning design in your design contest. Let's take a look. First, we'll talk about timing. If you've made it this far in your contest, congratulations! You're almost at the finish line. After your final round, your contest will automatically move to the selecting a winner stage, where you have up to 14 days to make your final decision. When it comes to finalizing your design, make sure it's ready to go before you hit that confirm winning design button. If it's not quite there yet, don't sweat it. You can always use the self-service option to extend your contest and keep working with your designers until you're happy with the result. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for, selecting a winning design. Step 1, go to the Designs tab and click the plus sign above the design you want to award the prize to. Step 2, click the Confirm Winning Design button. Step 3, confirm again that you're sure about your decision. And remember, once you've locked in your choice, there's no going back. If you're still having trouble making up your mind, why not enlist the help of your pals? Our poll tool lets you invite your friends and colleagues to vote for their favorite designs. Who knew choosing a winner could be so collaborative? So there you have it, folks. Follow these steps, make your choice, and get ready to celebrate because you're about to have a killer design in your hands. When selecting your winning design, remember, you have 14 days to select your winning design. Your design should be complete when it is selected. If you are not ready to award a design, try buying an extension and go back to the final round to work with your designers for longer. And if you are feeling indecisive, create and share a poll to let your friends help you choose. And don't forget to check out our other videos on design contests and see you online at 99designs by Vista.